Hi everybody, we have Moto G5 Plus phone and you want to recovery to your phone, and firstly you have to put the power down your device. I already done that, and after that you have to press and hold the volume down button and the power button down at the same time until the phone turns back on, like this phone power and the volume down button until the screen come up. On this section you can choose with the volume up and down button, like you see, recovery mode, power off mode, factory mode, barcodes, BP tools, QCOM, bootloader logs, switch tools mode, and start. If you want to go to the recovery mode, you just click recovery with the volume down button and just push the power button like this, and you will see the Moto logo. Don't scare after that, and you will see the little Android robot image come up. It's come now. When you see this one, you will have to click while holding down the power button. Quickly press and release the volume up key, then release the power button like this. While you holding the power button, the volume up, and release the power button. It's a little bit blurry, let's turn it off for now. And after you've done that, you just click up and down to choose the option. You want to wipe your data and the factory reset. You come by put down the volume down button, wipe data and factory reset, and after that you just push the power button like this, and the device asks you to wipe all user data. You choose no or user data only and user data and personalized content. You choose obviously the third option, use data and the personalized content. I think the personalized content is the SD card and other that. If you choose no, it's back to the normal menu, and user data only is just to click the delete the user data, and you choose this one, and after that power button. And after you've done that, the device is wiping data and the formatting cache and the wiping carrier as well. The data wipe complete. Even you see data wipe complete, you can do a reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from a DB, apply update from SD card, the wipe data, the wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, and power off. You can do a reboot system now. The phone will then reboot into the initial setup wizard just like it came out of the box. I hope it helps you out, and if you like the video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.